Thursday the 4th day of winter. It's Thursday the 4th of June 2026, and we're going for a wander. We can't just sit around here all day. Gotta go for a walk. So we'll kit it up, ready for a walk. Let's go out of here. Oh yeah. Let's put some Crocs on since we're going around the paddock. A bit of a wander. Bob's chair right there. Right, beautiful day, beautiful. Right, we're out, we're doing it. It's got heaps of fractures on that. We've got bloody paddocks growing on the roof. Can't get up there, got no bloody ladder. Even if I did have a ladder, it would have to be made out of bloody solid iron, otherwise it will just collapse and buckle under my weight. Oh yeah, there's those bloody towels I hung out yesterday. Filthy, dirty, soaked things. And for a wander. It's funny, and the sheep in the rain, when it's raining they just freeze, turn into statues. Look, they just stand there motionless pretty much. Anyway, we're going around the paddock. Bit of exercise. Bloody sheep shit. It looks a bit mucky over there. Have to watch the step. Nice pile of shit. So, it's day 4. Of our 24-hour fasting. It's going good. There's a big pile of burn pile over there. Going good so far. Haven't delved into my box of puffles. Well, that would be silly, wouldn't it? God, those paradise ducks, bloody annoying. Slowly but surely. Just gotta watch your step. So uneven. Those sticks and shit. Water. Muck. Pine cones. You name it, it's all there. Right. Open this. Our first gate. Swap over hands. Right. All the sheep have run away because of those two bloody paradise ducks. Better stay under this tree line here. So he kind of try and save the camera. I'm getting absolutely saturated. So we'll walk along this fence line. Watch your step, boy, watch your step. You're gonna fall over now, mate. Look at that. It's beautiful. Still beautiful even when it's like this. It's just restrictive, that's all. Just restricts what you can do. And that wind from the storms previously snapping the branches off. This bloody wire. Jesus. Oh, there's a few out there broken off, ready to come tumbling down on some unsuspecting guy's head or sheep. Probably be me. This camera's getting a bit soaked. Maybe I don't stuff it up. Nice little house there. That's a shed, obviously. Okay, this is turning into mud. Have to step out a bit into the grass. I was walking through that. It's all bloody soft. It's more the walnut tree branches that snapped off. There's a few sitting up there, you can see. Some big ones in there too. Yeah. Well, I guess there's no immediate danger. It's really just the sheep that are around. Watch your step, boy. Yeah. Pan around. Before we come out into the rain again, because I'm under a tree at the moment, offering me a little bit of protection. Pardon me. Alright, all rusted out bloody metal. There's the bloody remains of the old long drop that got blown away in the wind, and he's picked it up, brought it back, and this is it, the old long drop. Ta-da! That's what's left of it. I see. Right. So is that back of the property now? We've just done a short wander around, get off the bum, go for a bit of a careful walk through the paddock. Now we're on the back section, through full circle around, only a little shorty walk. Oh yeah, here we go. Remember that yucca I pulled out the front? This is it here. Wife's planted it along the back here. That's all good. Planted them all along the back fence line. We don't know whether they'll take, but we hope they do. Because our garden's still waiting for the topsoil. And there's the boat. That's still waiting as well. Right, we get through. There's a little pumpkin down there. Right, get through this gate up here. Back inside. Take this wet weather gear off. My poncho. There she is, the beast. Thinking about painting the boat. Yeah. So much stuff going on and nothing happening. Oh, shut up, you son of a bitch! This bloody ducks. Oh, this is a bloody challenge and a half, this gate. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! That's why hunters don't like those bloody ducks. They give away their location. Come on. Lock it up. It's that one. Bear with me here. It's like a Rubik's cube bloody puzzle. This gate with all the latches on it. Come on, open up. Going in the bloody mud pile and puddle. And I might put you up there for now while I bloody tend to this. Try to. Right. Where is it? That one's attached to there. There it is. God damn. That is a maze. A puzzle. It's got 3 latches. Let's make sure. Yeah. Yeah. Keep those bloody white buggers in there. Right. Let's get just about home. These trees here offering us some privacy, and plus the they just seeded all the seeds that dropped off that tree has created all of these. It's like a bloody hedge of them, which is good. The TATOU, the native pigeon, loves those trees. Always come and sit in them. And we lost one, and the wind blew over, and all the seeds from that tree that blew over has created all of those, which is pretty awesome, really. We like them anyway, so we let them stay and grow. Right, here's our little entrance. An easier gate. Very nice, very nice. Oh my goma. Take all this off. Nice little wander. What was that, about 5 minutes? Didn't seem to be like very long. I'm soaked if I didn't have this on anyway. Kia ora.